Hey everyone, Randy Rodgers with Trinity Oaks Mortgage here. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about FHA mortgage loans. Now, FHA mortgage loans are loans that are backed by the Federal Housing Administration. They offer buyers, particularly first-time buyers, some definite advantages. In fact, my wife and I, way back in 1998 when we bought our first home, went with an FHA loan. Here's a few of the advantages. Number one, the minimum credit score for an FHA loan is only 580, whereas most conventional mortgage programs require 620 or more. Number two, buyers can get into a home for only a 3.5% down payment, even with low scores like these. For a conventional loan, a buyer with a low qualifying score would probably be required to put down a larger down payment. Number three, FHA down payments can be gifted to buyers by friends or family or other groups. Number four, buyers with credit problems such as foreclosures can often qualify for an FHA loan much sooner than they could a conventional loan. In fact, a borrower can qualify only 3 years after the foreclosure date. Number five, FHA loans allow for debt-to-income ratios of up to 43, which is a little higher than some conventional programs, especially for borrowers with below-average credit. Number six, FHA mortgage insurance rates are the same regardless of credit score. Now, there are some disadvantages of FHA loans to keep in mind as well, such as, one, that required mortgage insurance. And there's a large upfront insurance payment of 1.75% of the total loan balance. Now, FHA loans require mortgage insurance for the life of the loan if your down payment is less than 10%, and 11 years if your down payment is more than 10%. With conventional mortgages, no insurance is required once you hit that magic 20% of equity or your down payment. Number two, they're limited to primary residences. Buyers have to live in a home for at least a year to use an FHA loan. Number three, homes have to meet stringent standards for health and safety. Now, this is only really a problem if maybe you're intending to purchase an older home or a fixer-upper. Just keep in mind there's going to be some things that are going to be checked and inspected and could affect your ability to get that loan. Number four, loan limits for FHA are lower, about 2/3 of the max for an area's conforming loan limits. So in summary, FHA loans can be a helpful option, especially if you don't have perfect credit or a ton of money saved up for a down payment. If you'd like to explore an FHA loan, you can contact me through trinityoaksmortgage.com/rrodgers. That's trinityoaksmortgage.com/RRODGERS. Thanks and have a very blessed day.